Before we dive into the festives, I take a moment to thank our principal, vice principal, director, teachers, and staff for their constant support, guidance, and encouragement. Relax and enjoy this memorable day. Thank you and enjoy the show.
This day marks a celebration of our collective achievements, talents, and the spirit of unity that binds all of us together. Of course, this unity is the reason behind our school being the best. On behalf of Asbury Public School, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to our guardians whose support, encouragement, and sacrifices have actually been the reason behind our success. Your belief in us and constant guidance have actually shaped us the way we are. Also, a very heartfelt thank you to our mentors and teachers who have spent their quality time nourishing our minds and shaping our character. Thank you for every lesson you have taught, and of course, the lesson of life. Well, Aspire Public School has brought a lot of surprises for you. I am sure you are gonna love this day. So saying this, I'd like to finally open up every gate for the upcoming entertainments, dances and performances that you will witness today. Eventually, on behalf of the school family, I respectfully welcome all the entire school council to 25th Annual Parents Day. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
I just am very proud that today we have acting ambassador and her Mrs. Acting Ambassador Takahiro Tamura Sir, Ambassador Sir, and Jungo Tamura Ma'am. Thank you so much. We are immensely thankful and grateful for your time. You have come here to encourage us, and I from my one side, I am very, very thankful and grateful because my first abroad has started from Japan. JICA has appointed me from Kathmandu, one school of Kathmandu, to study and take many educational activity in Japan. I have learned very much from there, so I'm very thankful and grateful to Japanese people and Japan, entire country. We are very lucky that today on the 25th, our Silver Jubilee, finally we got our ambassador and her wife here. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. And not only myself, but also while I have been observing during these days that Japanese are such a kind and great people that they have been doing all the donation, friendship program, this program, that program, all the program they have been doing without any benefit, they have taught us like their brothers and sisters and family members. Yes, there are lots of donors in this country, but I found that at the back of their donation, they have been misusing us, they have been taking advantage of. Only the Japan is one country that they have given us huge amount of donation. On top of that, they have not, they have just behaved us like brothers, sisters and friends, like a family relation. Okay, for this, all of you please give them a big hand. New University and different universities. Latest we have visited in England also. We have so many countries, friends and relationship. These all things can be happen because of you. You all guardians, we salute you and we admire you. We have a big gratitude to you all, dear guardians, parents. Because of you, we have here today. And my dear students, whenever this has become 25 years, I could not believe that whenever I wake up in the morning, I start my duty. When I see at the eye of my student, I feel so energetic. Each and every eye has such a love and a kind of innocence and energy. So I hope that it will give our country, our hard work will give something better to our country. We have been doing, while we started our work, my daughter was really she has passed one year and something. At that time we have started this job. This is my very emotional touch. Till today, I don't know that. Every day I feel energetic. Every day I'm so happy to see all the children. And thank you so much. And also in the same time, I am very much thankful to my ex-students who have done very good job in their life. Thank you. I am very, very overwhelmed, so I have no words. Thank you all. Thank you so much.